welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, and also thank you for the love and support that you've shown to me so far. I really appreciate it. New subscribers, you are highly welcome. Thank you for passing by. In today's video, I'm going to be creating another beautiful hairstyle on my daughter's natural hair. But before we get started, remember to hit the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it to notify you whenever I upload new videos. Keep watching and enjoy the rest of the video. You can use gel for this hairstyle, but today I'm not going to put any gel on her hair. But you can use gel if you want it to last longer. You can use gel.